everyone, it's Muriel here. Just wanted to come on real quick and share with you a project that I've been working on. As you know, I made a few Pokey tools. This was the one I was keeping for myself, but I made 3 others for some friends, and I wanted to package them, so I found a tutorial over on Mommynmecrafts. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but it showed you how to make the box. And then you can either make a box that goes on top, or you can make this belly band, so to speak. So I chose to do the belly band. You can just slide it on. The box has the little loops right there, so you're easy to pull out. And I stuffed it with shred and the Pokey tool, and then there's some other little pom-pom sequence and that kind of thing in the box. So this is some acetate that I've had. As you know, I made several envelopes using this acetate, and I think I got this from Stampin' Up. I'm not sure because I have a lot of it. So I'm going to package it up. I pulled out some ribbon from Michael's. As I shared with you before, these were buy 1 get 3 free, and I went to Michael's to get it, but there was only 2 available for free, so they wouldn't let me use it. But I had this in my stash anyway, so I'm happy about that. So what I'm going to do is just get this ready to package, and I wanted to come on and show you guys how I'm doing it. So I'm just gonna fold this over like so. Got a little put a little glue right there so it'll stay. And then get my glue gun and put a little on the tip of this one. There we go. Now I made some poinsettias. I'm using a die. I think it's where is it? Oh yeah, it's this die. I showed this in a haul recently. It's a Momenta poinsettia die. So you get 3 dies in the leaves and the little circle thing, which I tend not to use. I rather use the gold balls from Michael's. So here's the poinsettia. I cut out 2 large, 2 medium, 2 small, kind of sort of like that. I'm using this paper here. This is just Sizzix. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. I was going to use the poinsettias that they give you here, but you have to fussy cut them out. And oh my goodness, they're not in here. I must have taken them out. Oh, this one here. You have to fussy cut them. I always thought they were pop-outs, but they're not. So one day when I'm in the mood to fussy cut, I'll do that. But this is the paper that I'm using, festive pattern paper from Sizzix. And I cut out the leaf from the poinsettia die. That one there, I cut it out in gold. And I'm just going to hot glue it. Just hot glue it to the ribbon. Put it right there. And you can see I added the beads to the center. Basically what I do is just squeeze some hot glue in the center of the poinsettia, right, like in the center here, and then I pour the beads in and I push them down and keep shaking like this, so whatever falls off is not going to stay, and that's fine. And then I end up with a cluster of them. Like if they move, then I just take them off. Okay, so that's all pressed down. And then I have this word die. Not sure where I got these from, but they're Christmas words. So I just picked the word believe because everything else was too long. So I'm just going to put a dab of glue. I have a strip of tape, but I'm just going to use a little glue. And put that like that. Look at you, want to come out. Oh my goodness. So they're going to have to cut it open to get to it. Sorry. But there we go. Cute way to give a Pokey tool to a friend or someone you love. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.